Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back and visiting me. Today, as you can see, we have some kale and quinoa. So grab a seat, kick up your feet, but don't ask for nothing to eat because a bitch is hungry. As you can see, this is a steam bag. You put it in the microwave for about 3 to 4 minutes. This whole bag right here is 220 calories. Have you guys ever sat there and watched a mukbang of somebody eating some food and wonder how many calories they're intaking? That's why I feel like it's important for me to tell you how many calories. Or at least I try. Anybody have eaten quinoa before? That's a lot of quinoa. I'm quite sure it's going to need some salt. God is good. God is great. Thank you for his food. Amen. And need some salt. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. Now, I'm back. I have to put some seasoning in this thing. So let me show you what I put in there. Pink Himalayan sea salt because it's great in minerals. And it's better for you than iodine salt. Iodine? I think I said the wrong word. Then I put some tomato bouillon. Y'all, this is a lifesaver for a lot of my meals. This give great flavor to a lot of my meals. And it's a lot of my secret ingredients to okay, I'm dead. It is the secret ingredient to a lot of my meals. Anyways, carry on. You guys, don't hate on quinoa. Quinoa, great source of fiber. Great source of iron. Let me double check that. Yep. I get chia seeds and quinoa mixed up because they're both such a superfood. Now, I know this is not a typical mukbang, but I would like to start promoting healthier foods, or I don't want to gain so much weight eating that. And there ain't nothing wrong with quinoa, y'all. It's a great replacement for rice. It's low carbs. Yep. Some people can't stand looking at little tiny round things like that. My mama can't do it. You can flavor your quinoa any way you want. You can make it taste like chicken. You can make it taste like beef. When I first tried quinoa, I fried it with some onions and mushrooms with my with some baked chicken, and I put the baked chicken juice in there. It tastes good. It's a great source of fiber. So yes, my digestive system's gonna go real well today. And this one here got kale, which is one of the top superfoods. It has so many vitamins and stuff that your body needs to function well and to last longer. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you want to, I ain't gonna make you do anything, but you know what I'm saying? Help a sister out. No, my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm currently getting ready to hit 200, so. And every 100, or, I mean every 100, every 10 subscribers, I say I'm going to do a subscriber shout out, and I think I need 1 or 2 more. So yeah, if you want to be shout out on my next video, hit that subscribe button, and I will shout you out and let everybody know who you is. You could throw these in a salad. You can eat them as a substitute for rice. You can eat it like in a bowl like I am now. This really enhanced the flavor of this, you guys. If I could, I would name this video the Forever Ending Bowl of Quinoa. Y'all see what love? She just got new surgery. She got surgery on her boobs and her arms. I don't know if I could do surgery. If I did, it would probably to help cut off my bottom hanging belly, because I have 3 girls. I'm only 4'5". I have 3 beautiful children, all girls. And a pregnant belly on somebody as small like me, it kind of really stretches you out. So yeah, I have a lot of hanging skin, and especially with my new job. Amazon. Sorry. Entertainment purposes only. With my new job, I'm walking over 10,000 steps. That is close to 500 calories I'm burning. That's like a free meal. So if I eat a meal that is 200 and something, and then for lunch, and then eat another meal for dinner that's like 200, 300, 400, I'm only calculating in about 100 and something calories. So I will be losing some weight, y'all. This too, I got this from my mama. My mama has this double chin looking thing. If you're interested in losing weight, I do have some lose weight videos. Yes, so losing weight is actually a lot in just counting your calories. Sounds ridiculous, but once you get an idea of how many calories there is in what, then you realize what's actually going into your mouth and how much food you're actually eating. When I first started my weight loss journey, y'all, right after my third child, I said, this is my last child. I'm going to get my body right. I'm going to live the rest of my life healthy for, you know, living long purposes. I did my research. There's so many things you have to know. There's so many things that you can know. There's so many different kind of ways to diet. And, you know, I had to go through it myself. I had to go investigate. You learn about carbs. I learned about carbs. I realized that carbs is not my friend. But I met a lady the other day. She has to live off of carbs. If she don't have carbs in her life, her energy goes down low. I don't want to talk too much about weight loss. Excuse me. But if you want me to, comment down below. Let me know. If you like this kind of meal, or it's not like bad for you, then hit that like button. There was a message going across my screen. I have to register in my brain. It says about charging and filming can cause high temperatures or something like that. Yes. But either way, whatever diet it is, whatever you choose to eat, low carb, high carb, protein, bad protein, good protein, intermittent fasting, vegan, all that, it all comes down to how many calories you're eating versus how many calories you're burning. If you're not burning any calories and you're just sitting around, then you need to eat less. Or you don't need to eat less, you need to make better eating choices. Like a big bowl of broccoli versus a hamburger, you know. I would love to do more healthier foods like this during my mukbangs, so number one, my mama stopped cussing me out. Number two, change the pace of things in the mukbang world. Everybody's eating quadruple burgers right now. Right now, everybody's eating 4-layer patties and seafood boil. Seafood boil is good, but all that butter every single day and deep fried all this, deep fried that. I want to switch up the pace a little bit, and I have been doing a lot of bad food mukbangs, so I wanted to eat a little bit more healthier, but get a video in at the same time. Now, I am here to stay. I am here for the long run. I'll be dropping a video every day. No matter if it's a mukbang or how to lose weight or how I put my makeup on, I'm dropping a video. I'm going to drop it like it's hot. I am almost done. See? This big old bowl got me full. I'm full. I'm gonna go ahead and kill my last little bit because there's people out there that are starving. But this big old bowl is 260 calories versus if I had a bowl of spaghetti. Y'all see my spaghetti video? That bowl of spaghetti was 500 calories. See quinoa? This is quinoa. Am I talking to you like you slow? I do apologize. Some people don't know. I know a lot of our family members, they don't know about this. I think this will go good with some fish. And fish and asparagus and some quinoa. I did a lot of my meal prepping videos with quinoa. So y'all, I just ate this bowl of quinoa. I have potassium. Excuse me. I have a great amount of potassium, iron. This is 11 grams of protein. It's very low in sugar. It's only 1 gram. Great fiber, small carbohydrates. It's only 9 grams. It has great calcium, a small amount of sodium, which I added sodium. But I added good sodium. I added the pink Himalayan sea salt. That's a healthy type of salt. Yeah, so all that good stuff is inside of me now. And when my body is replenishing its cells, it's grabbing things that I ate. I ate all that goodness, so it's going to replenish my cells, which is my hair, my skin, my lips. My lips are so dry. It's going to replenish my cells using the things that I ate. So this is why you have to eat well. This is my last bite, y'all. Before I take this bite, I wanted to tell you guys thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button down below. If you want to join my crew, hit subscribe. But if you're really trying to help me out and help me establish my platform here, then share my video on social media and let everybody know what your girl is up to. Last bite. Cheers. Until next time, guys. Bye.